Hi guys, hello. So this is Akhilesh, and today I'm going to give a lecture on 10th class subject mathematics, and chapter is quadratic equation. So today we will study quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Equation. First of all, we will understand what is the identification of quadratic equation. That how can we identify that this equation is a quadratic equation. For example, if we have a equation x square plus 5x plus 8 equals to 0, x cube plus 3x plus 9x square minus 8 equals to 0. So the identification is it we have to see the highest power of x must be equals to 2. This degree should be 2. So in both equation, first and second, let's see. So first equation we can see the highest power of x is equals to 2, means x square. But in second equation we can see the x square is also there, x cube also there. So the second equation we have highest power of x is equals to 3. So first have second 2. So we can say that first equation is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay. And the third, the highest power of x is equal to 3. So we can say second is a not quadratic equation. 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 So as far we understand what is a quadratic equation, or and how can we identify an equation. Okay. So now let's solve some example. 2x square, 2x minus 1, and 3x minus 3 equals to x plus 5, x plus 5, x minus 1. So, and one more things, the same lecture, ये same lecture मैं हिंदी में भी अपलोड करूँगा. So जिसको इंग्लिश में प्रॉब्लम होगा वो लेक्चर देख लेगा बाद में. So we have to solve both side. So 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3 equals to x square minus x plus 5x. So why I'm solving this equation? Because we can't determine, or we can't identify the nature, the we can't identify the equation that which it is a quadratic or not. So we have to solve, and we have to solve and simplify it in the one form which I write like this, or we can say ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is the general form. So general form. So this equation 3 not a general form. So we have to generalize. We have to solve and generalize we find the general form. Then we can predict whether this equation is a quadratic equation or not. So this will be not here. Sorry. So let's see. Let's solve and simplify this equation. So it will come x square, and this will come 7x plus 3 equals to 4x minus 5. And this is x square, and this will come this side. So 7 plus 4 equals to 11x, and 8. 3 plus 8 equals 3 plus 5 equal to 8. So this came as a simplified. So let's see what is the highest power of x. Then it came x square. The highest power of x is equals to 2. So we can say that this equation is a quadratic equation. Okay. And now we will understand the zeros of quadratic equation. Zeros of quadratic equation. Zeros. Zeros of quadratic equation. Okay. So zeros. Why not 0? So zeros is a plural form, right? Not singular. Why not 0? Because a quadratic equation has 2, 0, 1 or 0, 0. Zeros. So that's why it came zeros. Number of root means. So for finding the zeros root or number of root, we have two methods. First is factorization method. And second is distinction method, right? Distinction method. Methods. Okay. So first factorization means like we have ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we have to find a number which addition equal to b, and the subtraction no, or and multiply should be c. You can remove this a for time being. Okay. So let's take one example, factorization method. X square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. So we have to factorization means addition should be p plus q must be equal to minus 5. We have to take two number any two number which addition should be equal to -5 and subtraction p into q must be equals to 6. So let's take, so if we take 5 3, then it will 5 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3, it come equal to 5. And if we multiply minus 2 minus 3, then it come equal to 6. So we can say that x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 equals to 0. So it came x equals x and x minus 2. Common factor, common power we have, we take out from the square, from the bracket, and 3x minus 2. So this value are common. So we can out this equation and x minus 3. So first we can say that x minus equals to 2, 0, and x minus 3 equals to 0. So x has two value, 2 and 3. The zeros of this equation is 2 and 3. And now let's take another example. What is right here? 2x plus 9 root x plus, sorry, plus x is equals to 13. So like this part has same, and these number are looking same. So we our approach should be like that. Should be that our the same nature number, same nature should be different side. Should be same side, huh? Like now we can say this side over here, we can say the root and without root part are differentiated. So now we can say we can do the square, both side. So if we will take a square, then it come as it is. And this side 169 cos 13 into 13 equal to 2 will be equal to 169, and x square minus 26 x. We use here, we use a formula of a plus a minus b square, which is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. So now coming to this side. So here x square and this 2 will come this side, so it will become 28, right? 28x, and this 9, if we this 9 will come this side, so it will equal to x 160, right? Equals to 0. Now we can factorize this equation. Okay. So let's consider if p plus q equals to 28. That should be 28. And p into q is equals to 160. So we find the multiply will have to come 168, 160. So our approach is you write 160 like this and try to factorize this type. First we can say 8. So this and 4, 5, and this 5 equal to 1. So we have 3 factor, right? And it addition should be 28 and multiply should be 160. So 8 mm, so we have to find the factorization, factor. We have to do factor. Okay, we couldn't make any mistake here. No, we couldn't make mistake. I write the answer same. We can simplify this equation. We can do factorization. Hmm. Mm, like 28 here there. So mm, so we can solve it like that. Hmm. Anyway, we can do factorization. If we can't able to factorize, then another method also we have seen, we have studied. We are going to study distinct method. Hmm. Distinct method. We can factorize it. We have to think, but this video is very short, so we don't have time to think. Huh? Hmm. Like if we mm, this will come. So what is the issue here? I'm unable to identify. See, let's leave it and let's study the distinct form, distinct method, distinct method, distinct method. Like we have ax square plus bx plus c. This is general form. Okay, general form. So x root x will equal to, if splitting is not possible, factorization is not possible, like we see in first form, first in above question. No? We are unable to do this. There may be has the factor, there may be possible factorization, but we are not able to do. So we use this formula, root b square minus 4ac equal upon mean upon 2a. Okay, so this is the formula. 2a. Hmm. So this has two root, two distinct root. First minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and second one minus b minus root root over 4ac by 2a. So these are the two root. Okay. So let's take one example. X square minus 5x plus 6. We can do factor also, but for example, we want to solve, we want to apply this form. So here a is equals to 1. First, we should compare the general form, like ax square plus bx, ax square, 1x square. Okay. Okay. And b equals to minus 5, c equals to 6. So now the a, we have abc, and we can put the general equation b minus 5 plus minus b square 5 is minus 5 square minus 4a equals to 1, which is 1, and c which is which have 6. and by 2a. Hmm. So x is equals to minus 5 plus minus 5 square 25. So it will come 1 and divide by 2. So we have x is equals to minus 5 plus minus 1 divided by 2. So we have two root, which is first one 5 plus 1 by 2 and second one minus 5 minus 1 by 2. So this will equals to minus 3 and this will be minus 2. Okay, so x has two value, minus 2 and minus 3. And now the third things we want to understand the root b square minus 4 is this is the magic, and this will give nature of root. This will give the understanding of nature of root. Nature of root, which we is denoted by d, and d square equal to b square minus 4ac, and d is equals to root b square minus 4ac. So if d greater than 0 or positive, then the nature of root is real, real and distinct. And if d equals to 0, then root will be equal root. And if d is less than 0, then the root are unreal. They are not real or unreal. So we have one question. X square minus x plus 2 equals to 0. So here b equals to minus 1, a is equals to 1, and c is equals to 2. And root of b square minus 4ac. b is equals to minus 1, so minus 1 square minus 4, 1, 2, 1 into 2 over root. This implies so it will equal to 1 minus 4 to 2, so it is equal to 2. It will come 2. And we will find minus 7, root of minus 7, which is less than 0. So this equation has unreal root. Unreal root. Unreal root. Unreal root. Like the same, we can solve and another also. So today we will stop here. We studied the identification of quadratic equation, factorization of quadratic equation, and distinct method of quadratic equation, and the nature of quadratic equation. So thank you.